2 Samuel is a book of drama. It's a story of power, betrayal, and ultimately redemption. Chapter 19 paints a poignant picture of King David's grief and his journey back to leadership. His son, Absalom, had rebelled, leading to a devastating civil war. Though David triumphed, the victory tasted like ashes. Absalom, his own flesh and blood, was dead. David's advisors feared his grief would unravel the kingdom. Joab, his general, reminded him of his duty. David realized he must lead his people toward healing and unity. As David prepares to return to Jerusalem, a new conflict emerges. The Israelites, the northern tribes, are hesitant to welcome him back. They had largely supported Absalom's rebellion. They now fear retribution from David. However, the tribe of Judah, David's own tribe, remains fiercely loyal. They alone go to escort him back to the capital. This division within the kingdom weighs heavily on David. He recognizes the need for reconciliation, for a unified Israel. He sends word to the elders of Judah, urging them to appeal to their brethren in the north. He longs to be a king to all of Israel, not just a faction. David's message is one of peace and understanding. He assures the Israelites that he bears no ill will for their past actions. He desires reconciliation and unity. He wants to move forward together as one nation under God. Finally, David returns to Jerusalem. The city that had resonated with the sounds of battle now echoes with the cheers of his loyal followers. Yet even in this moment of triumph, David remains acutely aware of the fragility of peace. He knows that the road ahead will be paved with challenges. His return to the throne is not just a victory march, it's the beginning of the arduous task of rebuilding a fractured nation. David's journey back to Jerusalem is not just a physical one, it's a journey of forgiveness and reconciliation. Along the way, he encounters individuals who represent the different facets of his fractured kingdom. Each encounter offers a glimpse into David's character and his capacity for mercy. Shimei, a man who had cursed David during Absalom's rebellion, comes begging for forgiveness. David, demonstrating remarkable grace, grants it without hesitation. He chooses to leave the bitterness of the past behind. He understands that true leadership involves rising above personal vendettas. Mephibosheth, Jonathan's son, and a symbol of David's covenant with his friend, also greets him on the road. His presence is a poignant reminder of David's past loyalty and the enduring power of friendship. Then there's Barzillai, the elderly Gileadite who had supported David during Absalom's pursuit. Barzillai's humility and selflessness in refusing a reward highlight the kind of leadership David seeks to embody. These encounters, each unique and powerful, illustrate David's commitment to rebuilding his kingdom on a foundation of forgiveness and reconciliation. They reveal a leader who understands that true strength lies not in retribution, but in mercy and understanding. Despite David's efforts, the tension between Judah and Israel simmers beneath the surface. The Israelites, feeling slighted for their perceived abandonment during the rebellion, confront David. They voice their grievances, highlighting the growing division within the kingdom. This conflict underscores the challenges David faces as he attempts to reunite his people. The rebellion had exposed a deep-seated rift within Israel. It's a stark reminder that true unity requires more than just a military victory. It demands addressing the root causes of division and rebuilding trust. David, ever the skilled leader, navigates this volatile situation with wisdom and patience. He listens to their concerns, acknowledges their grievances, and seeks a path toward reconciliation. He understands that true unity requires more than just a decree. It demands understanding, compromise, and a shared vision for the future. This episode serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of division and the importance of unity. It's a reminder that a kingdom divided against itself cannot stand. It's a lesson that resonates throughout history, reminding us of the importance of seeking common ground and working together for the greater good. 2 Samuel 19, though set in the ancient world, carries timeless themes that resonate deeply with the human experience. David, in his grief, forgiveness, and pursuit of unity, foreshadows Jesus Christ. Like Jesus, David is a shepherd king. He leads with compassion, healing the brokenhearted. He understands forgiveness and reconciliation. Extending grace, he seeks true peace. David gathers his fractured kingdom, uniting them under a banner of love and shared purpose. True leadership demands empathy, humility, and love. David's life mirrors our own, with hope for redemption. Embrace forgiveness, seek unity, lead with compassion, reflecting the heart of Jesus Christ, the true King. Are you ready to continue? Just click here and come along with me to the next chapter.